Tired of digging through your bag for your Myki card every time you need to catch a train or tram? Well, I have great news. You can now ditch the physical card and add your Myki card directly to your Apple Wallet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to digitize your Myki and make your commute a whole lot easier. First, make sure you have the Myki app installed on your iPhone and that you're logged in. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store now. Once you're in the app, look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. It's usually located right on the main screen or within your card details. Tap on it. You will then be redirected to Apple Wallet. Your Myki card and value will be automatically displayed here. Now simply press Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a quick look, and if you're happy, tap Agree. Your Myki card will now begin transferring to your Apple Wallet. This might take a few moments, so just be patient. And that's it. Your Myki card is now in your Apple Wallet and ready to use. Simply hold your iPhone near the Myki reader to touch on and off. Enjoy the convenience. You can check your balance and usage history directly from Apple Wallet, just like you would in the Myki app. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.